Question 4. So here's our diagram, here's our velocity time graph. So for train M, when they pass each other at time 0, M is travelling at 40 meters per second until it gets to point T for T seconds, and then it decelerates, coming to rest at here at a point I've called X. Meanwhile, for train N, as M overtook N at 0, it was going at 30 meters per second. Okay, it goes on for longer. It takes a total of 25 seconds before it starts to decelerate, and it comes to rest at the same time, also at point X. Yeah, so basically they travelled the same distance, and the times taken by the trains to travel between X and Y are the same. Okay, so that's our answer for part A. So key bits is just appreciate that this is at time capital T, and this deceleration starts at time 25 seconds. And this actually don't need for the marks, this is just the time when they both come to rest. So for part B, we're told that xy is 975, find the value of t. Now the distance travelled is the area underneath in a velocity time graph. So the area underneath this trapezium here for M has got to equal 975. And so does the area under this trapezium for N also have to equal 975. So for M, the area is being 975. How do you work out an area of a trapezium? Well, it's an average of the parallel sides. So for M, the parallel sides are length T and the length, what I'm calling X. So add those together and halve it. Then multiply that by the depth of the trapezium, which is 40, and that equals 975. And then similarly for N, which again, so we've got to average the two parallel sides, which are 25 and X, so add those together and halve it, and multiply this by the depth of that trapezium, which is 30. Now for N, I can actually solve this straight away. Okay, half of 30 is 15, so I get this line, divide through by 15, take away 25, and then I can actually see that X is after 40 seconds. Going back to my equation for M, half times 40 is 20, so 20 lots of X plus T is 975, divide through by 20, T plus X equals 48.75, so T is 48.75, take away whatever X is. Well, I've just worked out that X is 40 over here, so T must be 48.75, take away 40, which is 8.75 seconds. I don't know why I put N for newtons there, that's obviously should be seconds.